Hey guys, it's Laura and I've got a fun video for you today. Today I'm going to go through my nail polish collection and all of my nail care stuff, and I'm going to do a quick declutter. I am going to be doing swatches on each of my nails of all of my colors. My style has changed over the years, and I will say that I dramatically downsized probably about a year and a half ago, so this is what's left over from that declutter. I used to have even more nail polish. Thankfully, it's not too many now, or not a crazy amount, but it's still too many for me considering how often I actually do my nails and what colors I prefer these days. So I'm going to go through and test everything and figure out what I am going to be keeping and what I'm going to be getting rid of, so that way it will take up less space in my bathroom. So these are all of my actual nail care supplies, and these are all of my cotton balls that I have for taking off nail polish, and then these are some cosmetic sponges that I use to apply glitter nail polish. And then I have this whole stack here of nail stickers. So I'm going to go through everything, see what is still my style and what I will be getting rid of. I actually have two colors that I know I don't need to test. They are my two favorites. I've got this white from Simple Colors, and then I've got the perfect nude pink. It's called Easy Going, also by Sinful Colors. And I know that I will be keeping both of these. And I actually kept my nail polish on my pinky finger for both fingers that is this light pink color. And because it's currently my favorite color, I'm going to be using a comparison between the other colors and this color to see what I like better, and if something is worth keeping, it has to at least compare with my current favorite, and it has to be something that I am going to love that much and actually use, because otherwise I know I'll just keep going to this color. So that is why I already have color on my pinky fingers, and I'm going to get started swatching. I have about 20 nail polishes to try on here, and swatching is the only way I can think of to see them all and figure out which ones I actually love, because a lot of the problem that I have with nail polish is I can be obsessed with the color in the bottle, and then once it's on my hand, it doesn't look good with my skin tone, or it will clash with every outfit that I own, or it just doesn't work for my particular personal style. So swatching really helps me make those decisions. And you can see after I get 2 coats on of each color, I start moving things to the right or to the left to decide if I want to keep it or if it's gonna go. And I'm trying to be ruthless, but not to overpurge. I still want to make sure that I have enough selections that I will continue to paint my nails at home and not feel like I have to go out. So I try on all of my regular colors, and then I try on my glitter top coats that I have on top of some of the bases that I have. And I feel like that gives me a pretty good idea of what everything looks like and what I'm going to keep and what I'm not going to keep. The only thing I'm really struggling with are these 2 reds you see here, and I will talk more about them later. I've got an orange red and a pink red, and I can't decide between them, so I move on to trying out all of my nail decals. And for a lot of these, I just take a sticker and I look at what it would look like over my fingernail, and I decide yes or no. For a lot of them, it just comes down to style. That chevron print, I was into chevron a few years ago. I hate the chevron pattern now. And the decisions happen pretty quickly here. So far, these are all of my Keep nail polishes. These are my Keep nail decals. And these are my 2 maybes. I've got a reddish color and I have got an orangish reddish color. And I'm not totally in love with either of them, so I think when I head to the store tonight, because I'll already be going there anyway, I'm going to see if I can find a red or a orange color that I really love to replace both of these. I will check back in on my decision on these 2 maybes. So last night I went to the store and I looked for the perfect red. This is the orangish red color that I already own. And this is the hot pink color that I already own, or dark hot pink. And this is the red that I decided on. I tried 2 reds at the store and I went with this one. This one's Ruby Ruby by Sinful Colors, and I made it easy. I only sampled 2 at the store. I went with the brand that I've been loving recently. It's super affordable. These are only $2 each. So I'm going to keep this new red that I got that I think is a great and perfect dark red here. And I'm going to go ahead and get rid of my orange red and my pink red that I don't love nearly as much. Okay, so I have all of my nail files and nail clippers and cuticle oil and everything fits into this little pack right here. And then this has all of my cotton balls for removing my nail polish. And this is everything that I'm keeping. Here are all of the nail decals that I'm keeping. I feel like I'm keeping quite a few of those, and my nail polish that I am keeping. I have 7 colors and a top coat, so I feel like that's definitely an awesome, manageable, reasonable amount where I will get good use out of all the colors that I have. And I love that some of them are different for different seasons. I have some great holiday, winter type of colors, and then I've also got some great summer colors and fall colors. I think this is a really awesome selection for me, and I'm really happy with it. And then this is everything that I'm going to be getting rid of. I don't need this whole tote to hold everything now. I'm going to put these away in my bathroom underneath my sink, and I'm recording a video for the organization I am doing for my bathroom. So check that video out. I will link it down below when it goes live next week. And I'm really excited for these to be put away in that drawer, and I can get rid of this container completely. And then for the giveaway, I'm giving away all of these nail products right here. They're all in great condition, really beautiful colors. They're just colors that I don't wear very much, or I have very similar ones that I prefer. And then also some great nail decals, some Jamberries I bought a few years ago and now they're not my style anymore. Nail decals, again, I just bought them and never used them, and now they're not my style anymore. So I am going to give away all of this stuff. You have 2 weeks from the time this video goes live to enter the giveaway. You have 2 weeks to leave a comment on this video. Let me know why you would love to get these nail products in the mail. And subscribe to my channel to enter to win. I am so excited, and I hope that this awesome selection of colors will bless one of you and get some great use out of them, and they will be well loved in their next home since most of them are brand new. This one still has the tag on it. Crazy. All right, so this has been my decluttering. I feel so awesome about the smaller selection of things that I am keeping, and I hope you are enjoying these videos. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you love decluttering, minimalism, and lifestyle videos. I cannot wait to share more of my process with you guys as I continue on this journey. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!